B, and I'm back with another video. First of all, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. In this video, I kind of wanted to do something different. I guess since it is about to be a new year tomorrow, I figured I will, kind of share with you guys some of the things that I like to do to prepare for a new year. Spiritual baths. And so I like to do spiritual baths at the beginning of the calendar year, and then again, just usually when I'm feeling low vibrational, low frequency, and I'm just not feeling myself. So in this video, I just want to share with you on why I like to take spiritual baths and step by steps on how I actually do it. Now, everyone can do this any way they like. This is just the way that I have been doing it, and I just want to share that with you guys. First of all, a spiritual bath pretty much is a form of cleansing. Okay, it promotes spiritual, mental, and emotional balance, and it just gives you an overall sense of harmony within your day-to-day life. So I hope that you guys continue watching this video and you will see how I do my spiritual cleansing baths. And I'm hoping when Bay gets back in town, I can give him one. All right.
The first thing you want to do is sage your space and make sure you are saying your affirmations aloud. Next, you want to boil some water and you're going to add some pink Himalayan sea salt. If you don't have this type of salt, you can add regular sea salt, but make sure you guys are not using iodine salt. You want to use a very pure and natural salt that is easily broken down, okay? I'm adding some herbs to the boiling water. You can use any type of herbs you like, such as rosemary or sage. This is some leftover that I had. Now add your crystals into the bathtub. You can use whatever crystals you'd like. I like to put mine in the water instead of out the perimeter. And now add that Florida water. Like Solange says, you can use any type of Florida water that you like, and you can find them at your local supermarkets. Here I am going to pour the boiling herbs and salt mixture into the bathtub. And finally, I'm going to add a couple of drops of essential oils. You can use whatever oils that you'd like. During this time, I like to soak in the bath for up to 30 minutes. I am meditating, I'm praying, and just saying affirmations. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.